Alright, y'all see the box, man. First, I just want to shout out my Twitch family over there on Twitch. Helped me afford this thing. This shit was pretty expensive. For those that do know, I've had the original Xbox One, like the first Xbox One. I've had that for years and years, and it's been slowly but surely going out on your boy. So yeah, your boy went and got the Xbox Series S. I didn't get the X because that shit was a little bit too expensive. And I read some reviews and, you know, there wasn't a huge difference between the Xbox Series S and the X. And also the S is smaller, more compact, so that benefits me in my small area. So that's why I got it. Don't mind this room. This just the workout room. You got the treadmill, you got the yoga mat, you got the bench. So I'm just in here about to open this up, get my first reaction. I don't really know how we gonna do this. I'm gonna try to one hand this shit. You see it? And then yeah, we're just gonna get into it. So I'm gonna open it up. While we open it up, damn, I fucking suck at opening. While we open this thing up, football is basically back.
What our motto is, boat gang don't bang, you know we bout it ASAP, any squad, any place.
So y'all already know we gonna be getting some Charger football. Excited for that. I don't know if I'm gonna have music playing in the background for this. See, look out, I'm trying to record. Hold on. I'm trying to record this shit. And open the box at the same time. Ooh. Bro, I haven't had bro, this shit crazy. I know there's people that be on that console war shit. Damn, this shit's so little. Nah, I didn't know it was this small, bro. Y'all see it? Xbox Series X. This shit so little I could pick it up with one hand. That shit crazy. Alright, we gonna move the box to the side. And we just gonna flatten that baby out. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Man, we gonna open this thing up as well. I'm gonna open it up so y'all can see what it's looking like. Yeah, wow, don't mind the carpet, I got a vacuum. I don't even know how the f do I even open this shit. This video is so awkward, bro. See, this is why I be debating on even recording shit like this, cause okay, so we should be able to just open it up, right? Wow, nigga. Wait, I did not know it was this small. Are you kidding me? Nah, this is crazy, y'all. What the hell? This shit is so little. Nah, okay. For the people that are like, why are you reacting like this, nigga? You bought it. Bro, I did not know. Like, even looking at it in pictures and stuff, it does not look this small. So to see it in person and to see how compact it really is, like, this shit is bro. Do you wait? Hold on. Let me show y'all like how it looks. Look at this little ass. Look at the little ass Xbox. This shit is damn near size of my head, man. Relax. Yeah, this shit is crazy. Wow. So we gonna take it out the little plastic shit. First of all, where the controller? Did it not come with a controller? Okay, here it is. Okay, whoo! I was about to say this shit just came with no cords or nothing. Okay, this is where this is the controller, this the cords. Okay, so we got those. Let's look at the controller. Wow, new controller. I've been rocking with the same controller forever. I got like a little drift in my analog stick. Wow, look at that. Look at that, y'all. That shit clean. Oh, wow. This shit fire, y'all. So yeah, we gonna put that over to the side. We got the cords right here. And we just really gonna look at this Xbox a little bit more, and then I'ma end the video, bro. But this is so crazy. I mean, I don't know if y'all want to see me like hook it up. I don't think so. I'm gonna just put y'all down for a second. Just give me 1 second, y'all. This gotta be one of the smallest consoles of all time. Maybe y'all just wasn't paying attention, but this is like, it's so little. Look at this shit. This little, bro, this shit is as small as my foot. Wait, hold on. Let me take my slide off. Look at, bro. Look at this shit. Damn, I'm kind of ashy. Relax. All right, y'all. I'm go ahead and go hook it up. Just wanted to share that experience with y'all. Just opening it up for the first time, and like this is crazy. I got a new console. So yeah, shout out to my Twitch family once again for making me for helping me be able to do shit like this. That shit really mean a lot. If you aren't following on Twitch, go ahead and follow twitch.tv/nofiltersign. I know I got my glasses on. I gotta see. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all. If y'all enjoy, let me know in the comment section below. Like for the algo as always, get us out there and we gonna be up out of here. Yeah, I ain't record. All right, bye.
Shout my name when they see me on a block, man hot, but I get it cause the nigga made it out. If I got a hater, they just really wanna love me, they committed to the hate, but I know they really proud.